Hello everyone, considered all joy here with Stephanie, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I make a quick and easy DIY faux magnolia wreath. If that's something that you've been wanting to know how to make for just $10, continue watching.
Supplies you will need to make this wreath is have some type of wreath form. It doesn't matter whatever you may have on hand. What I had on hand was this bamboo wreath, and it was crammed in a box. I didn't even know I still had it, and it got smushed. So I'm going to use it for this DIY. This is nothing new that I went out to the store to buy. This is stuff I already had. And I did want to mention I made the same magnolia wreath using different type of leaves from Walmart, and it equaled out to about the same price. I just like the ones from Hobby Lobby because they look a little more realistic. Now this is a pricier item, but I got these when they were 50% off, and so that came about to $8.99, and the wreath was $1, which totaled out to just at $10. To start, remove all of the magnolia leaves off of the stems. This will help spread out the leaves evenly throughout the wreath. To make sure you have enough leaves to cover around the wreath, make sure that you lay them down without gluing, and then when you're ready to commit, lay one of the wreaths down and let that be your guide, and you want to go ahead and hot glue that straight. Next, I'm going to take another leaf and I'm going to hot glue that kind of slanted to the left of the straight leaf that I hot glued in the first place. So I'm going to glue one on the left, and then I'm going to go a little bit down, and then I'm going to hot glue to the right, and then I'm going to go straight, left, right, straight, left, right. And each time I lay them down, I'm going to go slightly lower than where I placed the previous leaf. To get a more realistic feel to this magnolia wreath, you can alternate between sections where you use the back side of the leaf so that you get these nice brown and green tones. Once you've completed gluing all of your leaves around your wreath, you want to just kind of squish the magnolia leaves. This is just a personal preference. I like doing this because I feel it gives the leaves a more realistic look, and I keep doing that over and over until I am satisfied with the fullness and just the shape and the look that I was going for. Hard to believe that at the stores this is over $60. I made mine for $10.